Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you or we discuss with you Experian Boost Honest Review. So, Experian Boost isn't a credit card at all. Now, it's basically a free add-on from Experian that lets you let some of your everyday bills count towards your credit score when they normally wouldn't. Things like phone bills, utilities, internet, and even some streaming subscriptions usually don't show up on your credit reports. Now, with Boost, you link your bank account, Experian scans for those on time payments, and you choose which ones to add to your Experian credit file. Now, once you confirm them, your experience score can update almost immediately, and that instant feedback is why a lot of people actually like it. Now, based on what people are seeing on platforms like Reddit or even on Trustpilot and even finance blogs out there, well, Boost feels especially helpful for anyone with a thin credit file or someone who already pays bills on time but hasn't had much credit activity. Now, many people report seeing a small but noticeable bump in their experience score right after turning it on. Now, it doesn't cost anything and it only adds positive payment history, so there's no real downside to trying it. Now, a big limitation here though is something reviewers bring up constantly. Now, Boost only affects your Experian report. If a lender checks Equifax or TransUnion, they won't see that boosted data at all. So while Boost can help in certain situations, especially when lender pulls Experian specifically, it's not a universal fix. So basically, it doesn't replace traditional credit building. So most experienced credit users describe it as a nice supplement, not a foundation. Now, the Experian Credit Builder card is completely separate thing here. So this one is more like a debit card that reports like a credit card. So there's no hard credit check to get it, and there's no interest. No, you load money into your card from your bank account, and that amount becomes your spending limit. Now, when you use that card, Experian automatically pays off the balance, so there's no risk of carrying debt or missing payments. Now, what makes the card useful for credit building is the reporting. Experian reports your activity as on-time payments into all the or on-time payments to the credit bureaus, not just Experian itself. So all three major credit bureaus. So people who use it consistently say it helps establish payment history and account age, which are two of the biggest parts of a credit score. Since there's no interest or fees, many users feel it's a low stress way to start building credit, especially for traditional credit cards. If traditional credit cards feels risky for you. Now, with that said, feedback is pretty clear that the card isn't powerful on its own because it's essentially spending your own money. Now, it doesn't help much with credit utilization or showing lenders you can manage higher limits. Reviews often describe it as a training wheel. It's great for learning habits and getting positive history started, but most people eventually moved on once their credit improves. So when you put both tools together here, this is how most people see them. Now, Experian Boost is a fast, free way to squeeze a little extra value out of the bills you're already paying, but it only affects one bureau. Now, the Experian Credit Builder card is slower but more consistent because it builds real payment history across all bureaus without interest or debt. Neither one is a magic solution, but together they can help get things moving if you're starting from scratch or rebuilding carefully. Now, the reviews or the consensus here for Experian Boost here or Experian Credit Builder is quite consistent. So these tools works best when they're part of a bigger picture, not the whole plan. Now, if you already pay your bills on time and want an easy boost, well, Boost makes sense. Now, if you want steady, low-risk credit history without fees or interest, the card can help. But don't expect either one to replace additional credit products once your score improves. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.